Just days ago, markets were rattled by rising fears of war. Today, the mood has flipped. Global sentiment improved after US President Donald Trump paused planned strikes on Iranian energy infrastructure for 5 days, easing concerns about an immediate escalation. Markets reacted instantly. Sensex surged over 1,500 points at the open and held gains of around 950 points, up 1.3% at 73,650. The Nifty rose 320 points to 22,830. But is this a real turning point or just a relief bounce? Because there is a clear caveat. Iranian Parliament Speaker Mohammad Baghir Ghalibaf denied that any negotiations were happening, calling the claims misleading. So while markets are celebrating, geopolitical tensions have not actually subsided. Analysts say markets are still in wait-and-watch mode. For weeks now, oil has been the single biggest macro driver rattling markets. Rising oil prices pushed inflation expectations higher, weighed on stocks, and tightened financial conditions globally. Now, if tensions ease credibly, oil prices could fall. And if oil falls, sectors most exposed to energy costs could rebound, and that could lift markets. Experts say investors are reacting to headlines. Now, that creates swings in both directions. The past few weeks have shown exactly how quickly rising energy costs ripple through the global economy. Even with today's rally, risk has not gone away. India VIX, the market's fear gauge, recently spiked to 26.7, a very elevated level. If the current sentiment holds, analysts expect it to cool toward 22. But right now, we are in a high-risk environment. Despite today's rally, the market structure is feeble. The Nifty 50 recently broke the critical 23,000 level, a bearish signal. It is now trying to hold above 22,500, which is a key support zone. If it fails to hold there, the next levels to watch are 22,300 and then 22,000. Analysts are calling this a relief rally rather than a confirmed uptrend. They say markets are reacting to headlines and not fundamentals. So what needs to happen for a real recovery? Nifty must reclaim and hold above 23,500. Only then we can see a move towards 23,800 to 24,000. Until that happens, markets remain vulnerable and sell-on-rise strategies may continue. On the downside, any dip towards 22,500 could still attract buying. Analysts opine that investors' focus should also be on oil, what Trump will do after the ceasefire window closes, and whether Nifty can hold above key levels. Follow for more stories.